Let's see if we have water. Yes, we have water. So we're going to cut this one on. I had purchased a two-way hose connector from Tractor Supply that didn't work at all. I took it back and found something different. I found a better one on Amazon called Two Ways. It's sturdy, the handles are bigger, comes with 3 extra washers. Let's see if this one works. It has a washer down in there, and it comes with 3 spare washers. So I like this one because the little things down it that's going to help me turn it are very big. These are pretty big. They slide easily, which is what I want. It's supposed to be made of pure metal. Looks like it is. So I guess that's going to be the off position, and straight down is going to be the on position. So you can see that little white thing in there. When I close it, it cuts off the hole that the water will go through. So on and off. Let's see if this baby's going to work. Here's the guarantee. So you can adjust it whichever way you want it to be, whichever angle. So I'm going to do it like this, because that's going to give me the most access. This is my little flexi hose that I keep kind of hanging on the porch to water my plants. Okay, so no water's coming out. Oh yeah, I like that. That is so easy to turn. Alright, so the water's all the way on. I don't see any leaks. Let's cut this one on. We should see my little flexi hose start filling up. Oh yes, it works. This is a cool little hose pipe. I have a video review up about it with a link showing you how you can get your own. I love it. So awesome. Nice. Still no leak. So let's set the other hose up. On the other faucet, I just bought a little cheapo hose, real liter hose from Walmart, I believe. I bought it a long time ago. And I'm going to put it on that with the plans to replace this one, which is actually a long hose that I hooked up because I'm trying to get this old hose reel working without leaking. Wish me luck. A washer. This one does not have a washer in it, so I need to put it on. Alright, let's see if it works. Yep, works. Awesome. So far, very happy with this. I'm going to go water my plants and wash my porch, and I can do it because this one is cut off. No water's coming out. This one's on and will give me water to my fancy little hose. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And please leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share this video if appropriate, and thanks for watching.